Okay, we continue capture menu and region. Click on region. Simply you can click and drag and capture any region on your monitor that you want. As you can see, it in a PNG, its name, and here in the screenshot folder, you can access your screenshot. As you saw, when you click on a region, the toolbar appear here. Most of them are for our image editing. The things that related to the region capturing is here. This is a rectangle. You can click and drag. With right click, you cancel. This is ellipse. You can select ellipse or holding shift to resize proportionally or aspect with aspect ratio. It's become to the circle, and release the shift. You can click and drag like a ellipse. Right click to cancel. You can freehand region. Simply click and hold the mouse and drag and release the mouse. As you can see, it's a PNG. You can use it anywhere. Again, region, we are going to the rectangle. These tools for image editing that I will teach you in the next lesson in image editing. Just the thing that you have to know, it's here. You can change the capture at any mode here, and the option is important. The first option is multi-region mode. You can select multi-region for capturing, as you saw, and for finishing, hit enter. This is multi-region. Going to the region again, another show position and size info. Here you can active or deactivate it. Show magnifier. As you saw, this is a magnifier that you can see the pixels under the mouse to select region bit more carefully. You can disable or enable it. Show magnifier. As you saw, as you can see, the magnifier disappear. This is very important to be. You can see under the mouse to select it more carefully. Okay, you can change the shape of this magnifier to the square or circle is most better. Magnifier pixel size and count. You can simply by clicking by scrolling the mouse, you can change the size of the magnifier. Very easy. Scrolling mouse, or you can change it here. Show a screen wide crosshair. This is crosshair. You can show it. That's nice. I like it. And enable animation. Escape to cancel. Escape to cancel. I open control panel, for example, going to the share capture region. Here, this is animation. In the region, you can simply select any region that you want and capture it. For example, here. Oh, multi-region is turn on, turn it off, and you can see this region. It's automatically. The animation means that this, as you can see, this moving region, you saw? There's a little smooth animation with the changing the area. When the changing area it happen, can select this animation. Enable it is right. It is nice and beautiful. Fixed region, for example, in this width and height, when you activate it, as you see, we have fixed region. We cannot click and drag. Click it and capture it for you. Again, oh, image light, escape, hit escape key on keyboard for canceling region, and deactivate. You can tick or untick them. Show FPS here for capturing, for example, games is nice. And the important things here, menu size In the default, it is very small. You can change the size of this menu by changing the menu size here. I make it in this. And that's it. The most important option for region is here. Escape it. Another region is region light. All of that setting disappear, and just you can click and drag and hit your region. And region transparency is for making PNG images. And the last region, capture the last thing that you captured before. So, okay, this is important setting of the capture. The next lesson, we're going to screen recording.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.